Hello guys, welcome back to our Excel tutorial series. In this lesson, we will learn how to sort data alphabetically and numerically and filter the data in Microsoft Excel. First, let's take a look at our sample data. As you can see, we have a list of names and corresponding numerical values. To sort this data alphabetically by name, simply select the column you want to sort by. In this case, it's the column containing the names. Next, navigate to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon. Under the Sort and Filter group, click on the Sort A to Z button. You can see the Sort Warning dialog box. If you tick on the Expand the selection, the whole data will be sorted in alphabetically order. If you tick on the Continue with the current selection, the only selected data will be sorted. Here I tick on the Expand the selection and click on Sort. And just like that, our data is now sorted alphabetically by name. Now, let's say we want to sort the numerical values in ascending order. Similar to before, select the column containing the numerical values. Navigate to the Data tab once again. This time, click on the Sort Smallest to Largest button. In the Sort Warning dialog box, remain the selection and click on Sort. And just like that, our numerical values are now sorted in ascending order. You can sort in descending order with Sort Largest to Smallest, like this. Remember, sorting data in Excel is a powerful tool that allows you to organize your information quickly and efficiently. Filter the data. Filtering data allows us to focus on specific subsets of information within our dataset. Let's dive in. First, let's take a look at our sample data. We have a list of products, their categories, prices, and quantities. To apply a filter, click on any cell within your dataset. Next, navigate to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon. Under the Sort and Filter group, click on the Filter button. Notice that drop-down arrows appear next to each column header. Now let's say we want to filter the data to only display products within a certain price range. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the Price column header. Select Number Filters from the drop-down menu. Then choose Between in the Custom Auto Filter dialog box. Enter the minimum and maximum prices. I put here 25 and 100. And just like that, Excel filters the data to display only products within the specified price range. You can also apply filters based on text, dates, and other criteria, providing powerful tools for data analysis. That's it for this lesson on sorting and filtering data in Excel. Stay tuned for more Excel tutorials and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for updates. Thanks for watching.